macOS 26 Tahoe is here, and before you rush to install the new update on your MacBook Air or Pro, there's one thing you absolutely need to do first: back up your Mac. In today's video, we'll walk you through 2 free official backup methods and 1 alternative. Let's dive in. Our first official method is a classic time machine. It's free and easy to use. First, connect an external hard drive to your MacBook Air or Pro. Next, open System Settings. General. Scroll down and find Time Machine. Click the plus sign and select your external drive as the backup destination. Continue by clicking Setup Disk. Once the setup is complete, you'll see a pop-up window asking you to erase it. Note that once you set the external drive as a backup disk, it will be formatted. Click Erase Backup and wait patiently. The file will load in about a minute. Then, click the icon in the upper right corner and select Backup Now. That's it. Time Machine will automatically back up your entire system, including files, apps, and macOS settings. Now, if you don't want to use an external hard drive, you can also back up your important files with iCloud. To do this, go to System Settings. Then scroll down and find iCloud. Make sure a cloud drive is enabled. This progress bar shows you how much space is currently available. Click See All to modify the folders and apps you want to sync, such as photos. You can also remove apps you don't want to sync, such as messages. Cloud's free space is only 5 GB, which is relatively small. So if you don't have enough space, you can also click Manage here to clean up unnecessary backups. If that's still insufficient, you may need to upgrade your plan to expand your iCloud storage. If you're looking for an even more advanced and precise way to back up your Mac, there's another option: 4DDiG Metadata Recovery Tool. Unlike Time Machine or iCloud, which mainly focus on file syncing and incremental backups, 4DDiG can perform a byte-to-byte copy of your storage device. This means it makes an exact clone of your drive, capturing every single byte and saving it as a DMG backup file. If your Mac ever experiences serious data loss, corruption, or even a complete drive failure, you can restore everything directly from this DMG backup file. It's essentially a perfect mirror of your original disk. So if you want to learn how to create a byte-to-byte backup with 4DDiG, make sure to check out that tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description below. Alright, that's all for today. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you in the next video.